In this video, we will understand how to install CodeBlocks and Programming Development Environment IDE, which can be used to create different types of programs for C and C++ languages. So let us begin here. First of all, launch the browser window, type CodeBlocks downloads for Windows. Click on the first link. Make sure you see codeblocks.org. Click on download binary release. You can select the type of operating system that you are using. Here we are using Windows operating system. Now choose the type of the setup which you are using with your operating system. To check your operating system, right click on the Windows button and click System. You can see the system configuration here. Here it says that it is 64-bit operating system. So you can select MinGW, or otherwise you can select 32-bit if you are having 32-bit operating system. In our case it is 64-bit, so we will select it. You can select FOSSHub or SourceForge.net. Now here the CodeBlocks download link can be seen. Click on it. The download is started here. Now once the download is completed, click on the folder button so that it will open in the folder where it was downloaded. Double click the icon. The setup wizard for CodeBlocks will start immediately. Follow the wizard steps. Click next. Go through the agreement as mentioned here with all the necessary terms and conditions and important points to be noted. Say I agree. Keep these options as it is for now. Click next. Remember the path where it is getting installed. Click install. And now the installation process has started. It will take a little time to set up all the necessary files in the folder. Now here it is asking with a pop-up message, do you want to run CodeBlocks? For now, say no. Let it finish all the setup. Click next and click finish. The setup is completely done. Now close all the other windows and apps that are open. Go to Windows button and you can search your CodeBlocks. As you can see, it is also available on the desktop. The shortcut has been already created. Or you can go to this window button and click on the search. Say open. Now the CodeBlocks window is opened. To start with the project, click on File, New, Project. Select Console Application. Click Go. Go through the wizard. Select the programming language which you are going to use. Click Next. Give the title. Say Intro to C. Click Next. Make sure you have GNU GCC compiler mentioned here. Click Finish. On the left side navigational bar, you can see the workspace and the project name. A subfolder sources is readily available. Click on main.c and the simple C program is available here. To change the setting of the fonts, you can go to Settings, click on Editor, click on C Editor setting, click on Editor setting, select Choose. You can select the style of the font that you want. Say Arial. You can change the size of the font and click OK, and again click OK to this main configure editor window, and you can observe the font style size has been changed. To run the program, click on Build, click Build and Run option. It will execute the code and the output will be seen on another console window. As you can see, Hello World is written here. Click cross button or you can press any key to continue or come out of the output window and you are back in the IDE. I hope you find this video helpful to understand how code blocks can be installed, used, and edited as per customized requirements. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel to know more updates about different programs that can be solved or executed for C programming languages. Thank you so much. Keep practicing.